I am gonna bring up my top 5. You said what?
She always says she can't.
Yeah.
It's like a saying, that's why I can't.
Yeah, why? Why are you saying that? When you tell yourself you can't do it, you're not going to be able to do it. You physically and mentally won't be able to do it if you're telling yourself that you can't do it, right? A lot of the things that I'm teaching you guys today has nothing to do with business. It's all about mindset. If you have a positive mindset, you can do anything, right? If you have a positive mindset, you can do anything. I'm going to say this one more time. If you have a positive mindset, you can do anything. Believe that. First rule for me is, and I'm going to ask you guys this question after I say it, is love what you are doing, passion. I love creating content. I love shooting video. You guys see the camera back there. I am recording this whole thing. This is what I do for a living. I own a video production company. I've shot for UC. I've shot for Desi Banks. I'll make sure I pull that video up for you guys as well. He is one of my clients, if you guys are familiar with Desi Banks. I recently just moved to Phoenix 6 months ago, and I'm shooting content down there for schools. So that's what I love to do. Now, let me ask you guys.